The Mohawk Valley Water Authority is repairing the road nearby where a water main break caused serious damage to the road. This is Cosby Road in North Utica. Officials with the Water Authority tell us a water main popped and blew out a portion of the road there, likely when the hydrant was shut down. This prompted the closure of the road. Crews were working on it this morning to repair the road. Now, Water Authority officials do tell us water was lost for some residents nearby overnight, but it is back on now. We will have much more information for you on this tonight during the Live at 5 News Hour and News Channel 2 at 6.